good stuff. Hey guys, caught me drinking my morning coffee. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. It's Rowdy Dog here. Got a product for you. Want to show you. Cool product. I just got it in. Let me see if you can figure out what it might be. Yeah, there it is. My new watch. Look at that thing, man. Isn't that tough looking? It's got an OD green silicone band. Look at the face I put on it. What? There it is. See that? I put that face on it. This thing has thousands of free faces that you can put on the watch, and that's the one I picked. Can y'all see that? Cool. Because I do, I go walking and stuff, and I like to track my heart rate, my calories burned, my water intake. I do a lot of different things. Neat product, guys. And this was sent to me by a brand to do my evaluation on it, and I think this is a cool watch. There's what it is there. It's the AR-01 Smartwatch. Really cool, very simple to set up in your phone. I put some screenshots in here of just a very few samplings of the different watch faces that you can put on this thing. But it's really cool. You know what I did? I called my watch and I turned off the video because it's calling the phone that I'm actually filming on, so I can't show you that. But I'll put some screenshots up. You can dial from this watch. You can dial a phone number from this watch. Let me show you. You can swipe across. You can swipe up and down. See all the different things it does? And there's this fast motion button right there. And that'll get you to all the different exercises that you can do in this thing. Hit it again, and it'll take you back to your main face. You can hit this button, and it'll go to all your different activities, different training exercises, cycle, tracking. And what this thing does is it can read the motion you're doing. So if you're walking, it will automatically read what you're doing and then track your activity in the watch automatically. It just kind of goes, okay, he's jogging, or he's running, or he's walking. Then he'll show you in here your activity that you're doing. It's pretty cool. I like the fact that I can make phone calls. It has a dial pad, so you can make calls. You can see a call log in it. You can erase those calls. Very simple. Just a neat watch, guys. Very cool watch. And it looks good. How's it look when I do this? Thought-provoking. That's very thought-provoking. Anyway, it's a nice watch, guys. Cool watch. That's just one of many faces that it has on it. Track all kinds of stuff. There, you can put music on it. I don't have any music in it, but you have an MP3 player. It tracks your weather. Look at that. Does all kinds of stuff. And there's other stuff. Look at that. All kinds of activity. See all that? I mean, it just goes through everything you can imagine. Very cool. Anyway, there's back to the main face. But cool watch. I really like it. You guys will get it. Has every kind of function you can think of that you'd ever want to set up. I'll put some screenshots in here of some of the different functions and some of the clock faces that you can put on it. But cool watch, guys. There it is. One more time. I'll see y'all. Rowdy Dog signing off.